This is one of the premium selling hot product from Vanita Fireworks. This falls under the category multiple shots, 5 to 500 shots. The functionality is, it is a 7-shot multiple function product with crackling sound with a golden tail light. So once you light up, 7 shots will be displayed up in the sky, minimum reaching 20 to 30 foot high within a time span of around 25 to 30 seconds with a golden light, crackling sound, and last it bursts into fire. So it's one of the best selling hot product which can be used for marriage functions and any temple festivals for that matter. For more product description, please visit our website pyrobazaar.in. Thank you very much.